It's YouTube Wednesday. I'm a sunflower. Sunflower mask. Why a sunflower mask? We are doing a promo at an event called the Wildflower Festival. I made a sunflower mask for a client a while back, and it turned out super creepy. So I thought that this would be good. We'll just change out the head on our Green Man costume to a sunflower and have it be nice and spooky. These stepper bits from Harbor Freight, it's like an $11 package. Super awesome for drilling into EVA. This is where the seeds are for the sunflowers. They sort of hang out in these guys and they fall out. When they fall out, it's a very tryptophobia type of seed pod thing happening, which is nice. I'm gonna drill these for the rest of my life. I could do this on my laser, but then everybody would say, I don't have a laser. So this is what I'm getting carpal tunnel for you. Sunflower petals. I'm figuring out my ratio. I know they're shorter than you think they are. I'm probably gonna go with that. Probably right now, someone is thinking of a better, easier way to do this, to cut all these petals. And while that's great, and I appreciate that kind of thinking, I'll be done by the time you think of a better way. So sometimes you just have to bite the bullet and do it the way that you know sucks, because that's going to get it done. There's a saying that my friend Stan taught to me. It's kind of one of my favorite sayings now. We are past the point of brilliant ideas. Not having a brilliant idea and just waiting and just doing it is going to be faster. Did you just stop it?
No.
Okay.
I had a pop-up.
Oh. it's gonna be faster to just do it the way that sucks. But then you're done. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna leave this guy as a size guide. I'll probably have to cut more, but I think I'm gonna be close with this. As far as going around once, I'm gonna wanna go around twice. There is a smart way and a dumb way to do things, but I see it many times. 4 people get to an area and they talk about the smartest way to do something, and they'll talk about it for 2 hours and they won't always agree. If you just went in there and did it the dumb way, you'd be finished. Cutting these with a slight curve and a slight bevel. Had a monster cam student one time. Look at that, it's busy.
Those are pounds.
I'm doing a bigger head. I'm doing a bigger head than these. But you know what? I might use these for the front.
Imagine.
It's a bag labeled sunflower petals. I told you I did this before. We did it before. Tryptophobia fans unite. Inside of these holes is they're hairy and they're not clean holes. Heat gun is just going to kind of melt the little pieces of foam and should leave me a lot cleaner. Okay, there's a cleaner. I now can confidently see out of that. I'm happy. I want a strip that goes all the way around, and I want that strip to distance this plate from the head hole there. And I think I'll bevel one side of this so that it goes on with the more of a gluing area. Since it's going on at an angle, I want this angle to match kind of how it's going to touch the helmet. I'm a lucky booger because I didn't measure any of this. Nothing. I should have done the math for this circumference, you know, but didn't do any of that. Look at that, it lines up perfect. The joy of foam. I'm a sunflower! Which means I have to do one more row of petals. It's okay. So where this ring joins the helmet, there was a seam. And that seam is only one layer of glue holding it. By adding this strap over the top of two, I have quadrupled the surface area that I have glued down. And now that's going to hold a lot better. Many, many glue points, much surface area makes it a stronger joint. I'm a fluer! Let's clean our table and get ready to paint. Don't we all? Little dinge to him. So I'm going to put a cover on the back of this with, honestly, just spray adhesive, because spray adhesive isn't good for costuming normally because it breaks down with body heat. It will make the bond weak. But this is so insulated because it's made out of foam. Anything spray adhesive on this will probably stay. It will stay. Cause it's here that I want to stay. Go make stuff!